Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be doing a quick guide on how to install Potential Grim for Grand Theft Auto 4. It's really Potential Grim, Liberty Rush, and various pedestrian actions. The reason I'm doing this is because I see a lot of people asking how to install Potential Grim in be Discord or Reddit or a GTA forum. You'll just see people asking how to install it. So we're just going to do a simple guide here and show you guys how to get it done. But first thing you're going to want to do is drag and drop all of these into your game directory. So you're going to go to common, data, skip those folders. Okay. And we'll just do this again just to make sure. Script image. Okay. So for this, we're going to want to go here. Open up script image, edit mode. And this tool you see on the left is Open 4, which I will provide a link to in the description if you don't already have it. And you're just going to want to click edit mode and drag and drop these. Don't be worried about seeing anything pop up. They definitely went in. Next we are going to go back. And now for the animations. So this, we will go to PC, anim image. Drag and drop. Now for pedestrians, we're going to go to PC, models, CD images, components ped image. Copy everything from here to component peds images. This will take a second. Shouldn't take too long. There we go. Now, vehicles. So, vehicles image. And we're good. ASI loader, well, you could use this if you don't have it, but you'll probably already get that with a downgrade. So, for our last step, we're going to need to patch the various pedestrian actions. And you're obviously not going to have any of these files. I'm going to link them in the description so you can just download them, probably in a Google Doc. But, yeah, so now we will go common, data. Shit, maybe I'm wrong here. Hold on. Drop that right there. Now, drop that right there. Data, common, data, ped grp, peds. And as for that, you should be good. You should be able to and then let's check it out. Alright, so obviously you guys aren't going to be as far in the game as I am, but we teleport over to, let's say, the cabaret. Oops. Now, you'll see stuff like the garbage trucks driving around.
I'm down to 2 packs a day. Yeah, you would say that. Hello? Fucking watch it. Uh-huh. Excuse me. Watch it! This is our turf! You're not supposed to be here.
And you'll see people like Faustin's friends tell you you're not supposed to be here.
Out of my way!
Or, for example, this over here. Yeah, we'll see about that, buddy.
You had enough flame? Let's go, friend. Ah! Okay. No, it's a uniform for Get out of my way. Next time, stay away from me.